student here at FEATI University, fourth year BS Mechanical Engineering with railway specialization.
And I'm Miss Mary Ashley Lucero po. I'm the marketing assistant po from FEATI University. And we want to welcome you all po kay FEATI University. Thank you so much po for coming. And hope na mag-enjoy po kayo sa ating tour po sa FEATI University natin as a historical marker po ni FEATI.
So before we start, we do have a 3 station here po. First, yung ating railway laboratories. Second, yung university motto namin. And lastly is the historical marker of Doña Victoria Lopez Araneta. So, ready na po ba ang lahat?
Yes. Settle down na po ba ang lahat?
Yes.
So, punta na po tayo sa ating first station.
And let's go po. Let's go inside and again, we welcome you all to FEATI University.
Once again po, welcome po sa FEATI University. Ito po ang aming railway laboratory po. Today po, may tatlong mag-discuss about our train na si Marunochi. Bakit po kami may train dito sa loob? Mag-start po tayo kay Jomer. Jomer, this station.
Hi guys, I'm Gamer Emamar. I'm a BS Railway Engineering student in FEATI. First, let's tackle about the history of Marunochi. Come po kayo, dito po kayo. Katingin ako kapulit eh. So, sa nakikita niyo po ngayon, yung 02151. Yung 02151 po na yan is, may meaning po yan. 02151 is, yung 02 po, dati po, meron po tayong 1 and 2 cars. And 51 is the cents. Meron po tayong 59 cents overall and 336 cars. Yaman po. Pero yung nandito po sa atin is the 51st. So let's start naman po about the history ni Marunochi. Marunochi was constructed in 1988 to 1996. Its first operation is in 1988 October. Since then, meron po siyang refurbishment in 2010 to 2017. But sadly, nag-retire po si Marunochi in 2020. So guys, any questions po?
Nine.
Clarifications? Let's proceed to the next lecture po.
So, good day po everyone. I am Miles Emmanuel. Sorry po kung naputol. While discussing about Marunochi. Meron pong naglagay sa kanyang ito pa sila gumagawa ng mga music videos.
Try mo ako.
Japanese ay papatay.
Upo lang ako. Wait lang.
So recite half line. So, good day everyone. I am Manuel Santos. Second year, BS Mechanical Engineering with Railway Specialization.
I will discuss to you about the power supply systems of the trains that are active here in the Philippines. First one is the overhead system that is used by the LRT1, LRT2, and MRT3. And the second one is the third rail system that is used by the soon-to-be operational MRT7 and used by our very own Marunouchi train set here in FEATI University. So first, what is the overhead system? From the word itself, overhead, the power supply systems of those railways, the given railways that I've said earlier, the overhead systems is above our trains, connected by a pantograph. While for here, in our Marunouchi train set, same to the MRT7, they use the third rail power supply system. In the third rail, aside from the main track that is used where the trains run, the third rail is another set of tracks on its side where it's powered by 600 volts direct current and it's connected to the rolling stock through a connecting shoe that provides power and electricity to our rolling stocks. So, are there more questions, clarifications, or violent reactions? It's from the Marunouchi name is from the line itself, as you can see over here. Ngayon, since wala siyang power supply system, hindi. Yes, gumagana.
So napapa-under niyo siya hanggang dun sa dulo?
Sir? Yes, sir?
Napapa-under niyo siya hanggang dun sa dulo?
Hindi po, sir. Since wala pong power supply system.
Unfortunately po, no, si Marunouchi is hindi pa po siya na-energize. We're waiting pa po sa Meralco at sa generator na kailangan namin. Kasi si Marunouchi po is, kailangan niya lang po is 600 volts. At ang mga nasa transformer po natin is 720 volts. So, kailangan namin mag-step down. And marami pa po kami kailangan na papers from na kailangan sundin sa Meralco po. So, and is there any questions pa po ba about Marunouchi?